In the heart of a quiet town, tick-tock clocks filled the air with music. Inside a little workshop, Mr. Tinker the clockmaker polished a mysterious glowing compass, one he never let anyone touch. But today, a curious boy named Jamie couldn't resist a peek. Jamie's eyes sparkled. What could this magical compass be for? He wondered. With Mr. Tinker distracted, Jamie tiptoed closer. But a little voice inside said, "You shouldn't touch that." What would Jamie do? Unable to resist, Jamie reached out. The moment he touched the compass, zap! A flash of light filled the room, and everything stopped. The clocks, the sound, even time itself. Jamie gasped. What did I just do? From the spinning light, a floating robot appeared. I am Timebot, guardian of the compass, it buzzed. Jamie stumbled back. Did I break time? Maybe, Timebot replied, but there's still hope, if you're honest and brave. Before Jamie could ask more, the compass glowed again, and whoosh! He and Timebot were sucked inside. Swirling colors surrounded them. Where are we going? Jamie shouted. To fix what's broken, Timebot called back. They landed in a frozen version of Jamie's town. Everyone paused like statues. This is what happens when time is broken, Timebot explained. Only your truth can guide us back. Jamie gulped. He had to fix this. They entered the trial of truth. A booming voice echoed, "Speak the truth, or stay lost in time forever." Jamie's heart pounded. He stepped forward and confessed, "I touched the compass when I wasn't supposed to. I'm sorry." The truth unlocked the way. A golden path stretched forward. Because you told the truth, Timebot smiled, you've earned a second chance. Together, they stepped into the strange forest where time grew on trees. Jamie had to solve the riddle of the clock trees, matching the right time to the right path. Use your heart and memory, Timebot whispered. Jamie took a deep breath. He could do this. Suddenly, a shadow version of Jamie appeared. You messed up, it growled. You'll never fix it. But Jamie clenched his fists. I made a mistake, but I'm trying to make it right. The shadow faded. They reached the broken hourglass of time. Only a brave heart can gather its sand, said Timebot. Jamie stepped forward, gathering each glowing grain, thinking of his promise to Mr. Tinker. As Jamie gathered the sand, soft voices echoed around him, his parents, Mr. Tinker, even his little sister. Be brave, Jamie, be honest. He smiled. He wasn't alone. The hourglass lifted and spun, transforming into a new compass, shining brighter than ever. You did it, Jamie, Timebot cheered. You've rebuilt time with truth. With a final whoosh, they were back. The workshop ticked and talked again. Clocks chimed. Mr. Tinker stood at the door, surprised, but smiling. Jamie looked up at Mr. Tinker. I touched the compass, I broke it. But I tried to fix everything. Mr. Tinker's eyes twinkled. Thank you for telling the truth, Jamie. That's the bravest thing of all. As a reward, Mr. Tinker gave Jamie a compass of his own. It doesn't guide you north, he smiled, but to what's right. Jamie grinned. The compass of honesty. It was time to say goodbye. You've learned well, Jamie, said Timebot, glowing softly. Always let truth be your guide. And with a whirl, Timebot vanished into time. The town was full of life again. Jamie walked through it with new confidence, the compass in his hand, and a lesson in his heart. Jamie shared his adventure with others, teaching them the magic of telling the truth, even when it's hard. And that every mistake can lead to something better. So remember, brave adventurers, telling the truth might not be easy, but it's always the right direction. Just follow your compass, and you'll never be lost.